Gold against US dollar yesterday continues to move higher because the price has formed another bullish candle with a bullish body with a wick on the upper side without wick on the lower side, which means on the daily time frame the price did not manage to try to make a bearish breakout below support 2654.09. And also it is continuation of this combination of the candlesticks, which means a bullish candle and an indecision candles as the second one. The third one is continuation. This means another bullish momentum is probably forming currently also today, where the price could continue to rise in value. One thing to remember is that it is a Friday. Usually the Friday in the afternoon changes also the direction sometimes against the technical analysis, which means there is probability that the price could return back down again to 2654.09 and test again this support level and also this demand zone. Will that happen? This depends also what will happen on the lower time frame like 4 and 1 hour time frame, where there are some small important support levels that needs to hold before the price continues and reaches 2654.09 as a support level. Before the afternoon, this could also be potentially that the price could continue to rise in value and try to make a bullish breakout again above the highest price yesterday, which was around 2685.72. So it is very important to see how the price behaves around these price levels as a small support and resistance levels which are available on the 4-hour time frame. What will happen in between, this will be shared inside trading community. The link will be below also in the description. But also, I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, at least to touch this area here around what is the highest price. And then this is a combination of the candlesticks that are suggesting further rise in value. One thing to remember is that 2736.97 is the next resistance area, which is a supply zone where the sellers potential are waiting. But they all, because of this is all-time high price level. There is also a possibility that some of the levels are in between this area, which could trigger the price going down before continuing to rise in value. So there is also potentially a one more level in between this support and this resistance on the daily time frame that will prevent the price from reaching this area to 76.97, a supply zone as the next target. But this is something that needs to be watched every day to see what happens on the smaller scale, which is a 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which are also defining where the price will go. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.